Happy Monday! So today we're going to start out with something very easy to do, something you're familiar with. So what I'd like you to do is go to your textbook. Everybody should have brought that home. And you are going to go to page 124, and our topic is incomplete and codominance. You're going to read and answer all the questions. So let me show you what that looks like. This is what it looks like in your book on 124. I'm going to go to the bottom of the page and you are going to answer the academic vocabulary. For some reason you don't have your book, you can go on the digital form of your book and it'll look a little bit like this. And you can answer those questions as well. And they are, I'm scrolling down, they're just set up a tiny bit different, but you can still do the 124 on there, and it's a digital form, but everybody should have their books. I'm going to go to figure 4. It says circle the flower that demonstrates the incomplete dominance in the petal color. So go to model it and draw the parent of this flower, assuming that the flower's color is determined by codominant. Then you're going to go to cite evidence. What evidence from the picture demonstrates that the fur color of these rabbits results from multiple alleles? Then finally, you're just going to do your reading check, and it says distinguish relationships. Final part is acquired traits, figure 7. And then you're going to go do relate text to visual and synthesize information. And then you're done. That's only 7 of them. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.